go through our sit down and stand with no food in my hands. I still have them in my back pockets, and I also have some on the counter over there, so I'll be watching to make sure he doesn't counter surf as well if he smells them. But what I'm going to do is teach you kind of how to start to phase food out. And at home, it should be randomly that he gets treats for his best performance. So if you ask him to sit and he sits the very first time, you might go and get him a reward. Or if you send him to go to his mat or lie down and he goes and he does it, then you can go ahead and reward. But it doesn't have to be every single time. He can get just a good boy, and we'll see how it goes. Good boy. Yes. Sit. Good boy. Down. Good. Stand. Good boy. So he did those, all three of those for one piece of food. He didn't see any food in my hands when he asked for it. And so then I reached in my back pocket at the end and I gave him a treat for doing 3 different things for no food in my hand. Now we're going to change the order a little bit. Okay? Stand. Good. Down. Good boy. Sit. This is the hard one. And if you see he's leaning to my left, his right, I'm going to put my foot here to take up the space a little bit. Sit. Good boy. Very nice. All done. And I'm giving him hand signals with no food in it. So really, I want you to make sure, at least at this point, that whenever you are giving him hand signals, that there should be no food in that hand. Even if there's food in the other hand is fine, or in your back pocket, but when you're directing him, I want him to learn that an empty hand doesn't mean you don't get food. That will make it easier along the way to phase out food where you don't have to give treats all the time.